So this is the mail we sent you. The first is the milestone sheet. As you can click here, it will lead to the Excel sheet. So here it is the task, and their description is here, an estimated date, an actual day spent, and like percentage how much it's completed. So next is the project documentation. As you click here, it will lead to this document where the problem, the solution, and the solution architecture and methodology is explained. As you know, the problem is analyzing the 10 key questions, and that 10 key questions are mentioned here. And on that, we are going to create the dashboard, Looker Studio dashboard. Here it is mentioned. Also, we mention the problems we observed during the analysis, like missing values and error values present in the dataset. If you want to see the summary of that values, you can click here, and it will lead to this Excel sheet where the column name and total missing value from that column and the percentage is here. So next is the solution. So how we clean the data and how we analyze these 10 questions are mentioned here, and we provided these following links. Like first is the project overview. So as you can click here, it will lead to this document which will give the data set overview and issue we observed, and data cleaning and preparation, and also complete EDA explanation also. So next is the clean data set. So if you click here, it will lead to the this Excel sheet where complete clean data is stored. The next is the research objective. So it will lead to the if you click here, it will lead to the answers we gathered for all 10 question. And next link is for the Looker Studio for visualization. So this is the document, and like this solution architecture and the methodology is mentioned. The next is the research objective. As I mentioned, you can go from here you can visit the answer from here also. So if you click here, it will lead to the research objective, which contain complete 10 questions and their answers. We divided these 10 questions into two parts, like A and B, and the third will be the overall observation from that A and B. Like these 10 questions are presented with the some graphs. So next is the Looker Studio dashboard. So Looker Studio dashboard is a visualization tool which is used for visualizing the data sets by the Google. For to open this, you need a compulsory Google account. From if you can copy this link and paste it, or you can also right click as and open link as whatever your Google account is there, and click it. So it will lead to the dashboard, directly to the dashboard like this. So as you can see, this is the complete dashboard. This dashboard is divided into 5 pages. So first page is overall overview, what type of values and what type of columns present in the complete data set. It is just a overview, and you can also change the filters also from this drop down menu. Then next page, from the next pages, as you can see in the research, for each question there is a some headline. So like here is the higher control light. From this we created these headlines, and for each question we used this headline and two graphs to represent the answer. So like first question, control by equity, we used this two bar graph. Also for the second question, like alignment of the interest, we use this table. For the next question, like information and symmetry, we used this table and the pie chart. And for the next questions like corporate governance and mechanism, we used these two graphs. So like for each question we use the headlines and divided into sections, and for each headline we give graphs like this which will answer the questions. Like this we divided complete 10 questions in this dashboard. Here you can also change the filters as the requirement, and to move forward you can use next and the previous button also. So as you can see here, it is the last question, which is 10th question, which is the contract design and de-risking. For that we used these two pie charts and the bar graphs. And if you want to download complete report, you can download you can use this button, and it will download complete report as the PDF. My name is Manav Dattatreya Wadikar, and working at Blackcoffer, it is very good experience. I got to know very different softwares, and I gain very exciting knowledge from the Blackcoffer as working, and I used in different projects.